Now, let's quickly learn how to add shortcuts. In order to do that, click on Window, go to Preferences, and then select Shortcuts. And from here, you can add different kinds of shortcuts in order to enhance your workflow in SketchUp. The one which I found the most useful one is the Hide and the Unhide shortcut. Let's search for it. So we are going to use these two shortcuts. First, let's select it. And after that, you can add any kind of shortcut key you want. In my case, I'm going to choose for the letter H. And after that, let's just click on the plus sign here. So now, it is showing that it is currently used by the camera tool. But let's reassign it to the hide tool. Okay, now let's select the unhide option. And for this, let's use the Shift key and the H. But make sure to click OK after all this. So now, what you can do is, you can hide and unhide anything in SketchUp. For example, you want to hide this sofa set. You can just type the H letter in order to hide it. And to unhide it, just type the Shift and the H.